Mare, so ito ang easiest way to create an online resume. First, download Canva, open the app, syempre may mga ganap siyang ganyan, then search nyo lang sa top, resume. Now, for resumes, have different options. Gusto mo sigurong humanap ng professional resume. Maraming design dyan, guys. Now, a lot of people say hindi kailangan ng photo, but if you're working from home, you may want to use something that, number one, speaks volumes about your personality, your character, and the market that you want to submit your resume to. Meron dyan for graphics designer, meron dyan kung sinong anik-anik, merong mga walang picture. Just for the purpose of this training, though, I choose this particular design. Pag nabuksan mo na siya sa phone mo, kems mo lang yung name, tapos, yan, lagay mo yung full name mo. Pwede mo siyang i-edit. Tapos, minsan, nakakalimutan mo pa yung full name mo, nakakalimutan mong hyphenated pala yan, ganyan. And then, sa baba, when you click done, meron kang option to change yung font, yung color, and all that stuff. Siyempre, gusto mo ng tagline and you need to have your tagline before you even create your resume. Marami pang options to edit your resume, like your professional summary. Change mo lang yan dyan. Click mo lang yung area na gusto mong palitan. Super easy, guys, gamitin ng Canva for online resume. But I think ito yung pinakamagandang option. So, after editing your resume, marami kang places na pwedeng paglagyan sa kanya. Pwede mo siyang isend sa Slack, sa WhatsApp, sa iMessage. Pwede mo siyang gawing PowerPoint, but you're looking for website. Yan. So, marami din siyang option. But I choose presentation and then click on complete. And then there you go. Pag click mo yung arrow sa baba, i-copy mo lang yung nandun sa arrow na yon and you're done.